Well, hello my cellmates. Another exciting episode of Cube Tube, should they say? Cube Tube. Going to do a pretty simple little swipe, I think. But as you know me, if things don't go, I'm looking and they're not looking too good, then I'll change it up or change it down. So we'll just go with the flow and see how we go. Oh, that rhymed. Okay, first part to this process is they're all Mont studio acrylics that I'm using, and Mont metallic paints. I'll explain as we go. I've just mixed up a container full of white paint. If you know me, I don't usually work a lot in white because I like colour so much, but I'm gonna break the mold, so to speak. So normally I would use my fingers, but I'm going to use this little I think it's an icing tool for icing cakes, but it's nice, just little one, so it's good for this size canvas. So I'm going to just evenly coat my canvas all around. I hope you're all going okay, all good, all happy, enjoying your life. That's what we should all be doing, is enjoying our lives. So there you go, my dogs are on the run again. Been just laying here beside me while I've been playing around with mixing things, and once I decide to do something on the camera, then all the noises start. But it's at least, it's real life, hey, it's all real. I'm keeping it real. So okay, if anybody wants any information on my particular pouring medium that I've done for this pour, they will be in the drop down box. I will put what I mix my paints up and the ratios and what I mix with. That'll be there for anybody that may be new. If you are new to pouring completely, then you may look up some of my videos or other YouTube acrylic pouring artists that are on acrylic pouring for beginners. I might give you a little bit more help to set you on your way, but I've certainly got a few videos there as well on tips and tricks for beginners. So, but yeah, my little info will be in the drop down box if you're on a desktop or an iPad. I'm gonna do these famous swipes. Well, I love swipes anyway, so I'm just gonna try. Okay, so this one is my bronze. Yeah, bronze. So I'm going to, don't know whether to, no, I think I'll just pour it. So you don't need much paint on your canvas for these. I don't want straight line. It's got like a dog leg there, but that'll do. So I've got metallic silver. Woohoo. There. And I'm bringing in some metallic copper. Montmartre's metallics, beautiful, beautiful. Going to start down this end. Okay, I'm going to keep this one simple, can you believe? I'm going to bring in some of the Montmartre purple, but I have added some blue and deep red because I just like it to go that little bit darker. So going to, where do I want to go? Okay, I want to pour some on this side here. I've poured way too much paint on this, I can see already. We'll go this side. I'm just going to leave it there for now. See how we go, see how we go. Let's see, pour in a bit more white that I had made up. I've got way too much paint there. I should have drawn a really thin line, but anyway, making it my own. You know what I'm going to swipe with? This is Australian platypus. This is called a platypus swipe. Okay, I've got a platypus. So I'm going to do a platypus swipe. It's one of these little things that I bought for the grandchildren that they can paint when they're here and put on paintings. But I thought, oh yeah, that little snout of the platypus is nice to swipe with. So I will try the platypus swipe. Okay, you all good with that? We're good to go? Okay, let's see what we come up with in the platypus swipe. Gonna go random here. In the platypus swipe. Oh, wowee. Gotta love a platypus nose. Smart platypus. And as you know, I like wiggly lines, so all those colours are pretty. Okay, I might turn my work around. Hopefully it's still in the... So getting my platypus again with his nose. I will swipe. Ooh. So, the platypus swipe it is. You're free to use a platypus to swipe. I won't hold it against you. Oh, I like wavy lines. I love wavy lines. It looks like dancing girls actually. Dancing girls. Now if you can't get a platypus to swipe with, you're free to use any object to swipe with. Okay. Wowee. Platypus. Platypus. So, platypus has done a good job. Done a good job. I will hit it with the gun. Just a little bit to see what I can bring up. Not really one that... Oh yeah, you know what it looks like. Oh yes. Octopus tentacles. So my platypus has created an octopus. Oh god, I'm crazy and I haven't had a drink. So my platypus has created an octopus. So maybe I should... Oh, that is actually gorgeous. I'll bring you down on that and let you have a look. That's actually really nice. That's really good. I like it. My platypus created the octopus. I think that's cute. I will probably do a few embellishments with the gold, this gold that I'm loving, the Mont pre-made pouring paint, because I don't have to do anything to it. I can just put a little bit in a dish. I will show you. I did buy some little containers today. Where have they gone? Probably not emptied them out. Anyway, I'll just put a little bit of the gold into this. I just want to show you what, and it probably needs to be done for sure after the paint has dried. Hang on, a little bit more. You can either do it with an instrument, but I will do it with the end of the I would just put a little few drops of the gold, just droplets. Yeah, this gold is, I just love this gold from the Mont range at the moment. It's just beautiful. Okay, just a message to you guys, especially all the women out there, is we're not here to criticise and be nasty to one another or to knock each other about on this art platform. We're here to help, encourage and build one another up, because it's nothing short of bullying that some of the things that have gone on in the last couple of weeks on our pages, and it's quite disgusting to think that women will lower themselves to just nasty cheapskate comments, that it's uncalled for. Do you know what we do? And I've told you so many, everything we're doing in this art and on all of the sites, it's been done before. It's all been done before. So you should just concentrate on your art, not worry if somebody's, I don't know, I don't want to say too much, but I just think it's gone a bit crazy. And women, we're queens of our castle. We should be helping one another and building us up, not tearing anyone down. What I find is the poorers that have the art site that's got the most subscribers seem to be the ones that cop the flack, and it's like in life, the tall poppy syndrome. It's always somebody that wants to bring them down a peg or two. It just shows how little and meaningless your own life is. So if you're ready to criticise other women on these sites, pull your head in and move on. You must be a very sad person. Seek help, ask us for help rather than criticise us. That's just my 2 cents worth, and I'm putting it out there because none of this is new. We're not discovering the wheel. It's all been done before. So that's pretty. And I'm happy with that. So there you go. This is not named after anyone. I'm calling it the Platypus swipe. Okay, you're free to use your own platypus. I won't get offended, truly, if you use your own platypus and don't name me in your platypus octopus swipe. Okay, all good. Love to you all. Love, peace and all of that. And I want to thank you so much, really, that 99.9% of my viewers build me up, give me confidence, give me really positive feedback, and I'm happy for that. And the ones that don't, reach out for help because you certainly need it, or move on from these channels. We don't need women that don't help women and women that don't build each other up. Then I don't want you. Move on. Okay, that's me off my soapbox. And there you go, there's my platypus octopus swipe. Okay, thank you guys, thank you, love to you all. Have peace and love in your heart and be there for one another.